Hi guys, so I have these some tools which I've seen online, people trying for their eye makeup, which makes their eye makeup really easy. So I thought of checking them out. So I have these three. So this one is a eyebrow stencil or an eyebrow shaper. This one is an eyeliner shaper, and this one is for putting your eyeshadow so that the eyeshadow doesn't fall out and it doesn't spoil your face. So I'm going to try these and show it to you guys. Let's try it with this one. So this one is a eyebrow shaper. So when we open it, we get a few stencils to make eyebrows. So there is one arc number 3, which doesn't fit my eyebrow. No, it's very thin for my eyebrow. And then there is arc number 2, which is a round eyebrow. Okay, I think this is more it for me. No, and then there is one, which is more like a flat from front, and then there's an arc on the end. And this certainly is not my shape. I think arc number 2 would be perfect for me. So I'm going to keep this like this. Here's my eyebrow pencil, and let's see if I'm able to shape my eyebrow using this. Okay, nice. So it gave me a proper curve, you guys can see. If you are new in this and don't know how to make good eyebrows, probably you can use these. Of course, you need to shape your eyebrow a little, but it does help you make a basic shape. And yeah, so I really like this one. Now let's try this one. Now this one is a shapers and it helps you draw eyeliner. Let's see how we have to put this one. Okay, so I do have a perfect wing right now, but the only issue is that this one has a little glue. Now if I already have an eyeshadow on, it's just going to remove it. So if you're going to just apply a liner, then you can use this. It is really very comfortable. Yes, if you are new to makeup and you're not very comfortable with liquid liner, then you can use this for a wing eyeliner. Yes, it works. So try this third one. So I'm going to take this and apply it on my eye. I'm going to use some loose pigments for this to see if it saves my skin from the fallout or not. And nothing better than loose pigments. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to just... Okay, so I really like this one because for one reason, it does help you give a proper shape to the eye. And also all the fallout whichever fell on this. So yeah, it did not fall on my makeup. Only thing is, if you're using this, you have to use this before you do your base, because this again has a glue. So you can see it removed all my foundation, highlighted everything. So if you are using this, you have to use it before you do your foundation and everything. So you have to do your eye makeup first and then you do your base. But yeah, I really like the way it has given a shape. So you guys can actually see this works and I really like it. If you're a beginner at makeup and you do make mistakes while making your brows or while putting an eyeliner, or you do get a lot of fallout, so you can check out these really help, and I really like them. So you can go try it out. And hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, do give us lots of love.